Good morning, everyone. Today's thought of the day is believe in yourself and you can do amazing things. Thought of the day is every day is a new chance to learn something new. Thought of the day is hard work today brings success tomorrow. Thought of the day is kind words and kind actions make the world better. Thought of the day is never give up because great things take time. Thank you and please subscribe for